Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Now today we are going to be having a look at using Numicon to practice our number bonds to 10. So Numicon is just the shapes that we use in class for representing numbers. So for example, here we have the 10, and you'll see that the 10 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 holes in it. Okay, these work really well if you're putting your fingers into them. Certainly when I've done it with my class before, what we've done is, say you've got the number 3, you've got to put 3 fingers into the number 3 Numicon. If you've got the number 8, then you've got to put 8 fingers into the number 8 Numicon, and you've got to really kind of find a way to get them in there. So it's just a good way to reinforce using the Numicon with your class. So today we are having a look at number bonds to 10. Now what does that mean? Number bonds to 10 are the numbers that you, as an adult, just recognise and know make 10. So for example, 4 and 6 makes 10. So we can put the number 4 down here and the number 6 in there. So we can see that here's 10. This is just to help us. This is just kind of like a base one. So we've got the 10 here, and we know that 4 and 6 makes 10. We can count them up. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can use our fingers as well if we need to. We can do 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 makes 10 as well. Okay, let's have another shot. So delete those ones. Why don't we try this one here? So in school I would expect the class just to know what number that represents. So we know that the red one represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there we have the number 5. Now as an adult you just know, just because you've practiced over and over, 5 plus something equals 10. So let's try and put them in. So if we didn't know the answer, we could use the ones to help us. So 5 plus 1, well that doesn't equal 10, that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there we have 5 plus something equals 10. Now we know that this is 10, so we can start counting up the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we've got 5 ones in there. So let's get rid of those ones now. And we can put a 5 in there. Can I flip it? Can I rotate it? Hey, there we go. And slot you in there. Perfect. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's try another one. This number here. I wonder what this number, the pink number, is. That's right, the pink number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, number bonds to 10. Where are we? 7 plus what equals 10? 7 plus what equals 10? Seven plus 3 equals 10. 7 add 3 equals 10. So there we've got 10 and we've got 7 and a 3. And look, they've got the exact same number of spaces, exact same number of dots. So we know that 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, let's try another one. Ooh. Okay, first of all, what number is this? This is a number 9. It has 9 holes in it. And 9 plus what equals 10? Well, 9 plus 1, but oh, what has happened here? My number 1's disappeared. Let's reload the page. Is that going to work? There we go. Number 1's come back. Let's try that again. There's my number 1. Oops. There we are. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Good job. Okay. So we've got our 10 here. I wonder what this is. 10 here. So this number is the number 6. 6 plus what equals 10? 4. Good. Whoa, where are we? 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 10. Good job. Let's try, what have we not done yet? This one. Okay, that green one there is the number 8. 8. 8 plus what equals 10? That's right. 8 plus 1, 2 equals 10. Boop. Boop. And there we go. So now it is your turn. I would like you to come to this website. I will link it on Google Classroom for you, or if you're on YouTube, I will put it down in the description. Give it a try and see what numbers you can create using the Numicon. Once you've done that, for your number 1 to 10, once you've done that, have a shot at trying to create a robot using the Numicon. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean. So to create my robot, I might need a number 10. I'm going to rotate that, and I might give my robot some 5 arms. Let's flip that. Oh no, I need to rotate it and flip it. There we go. So here's some arms for my robot. I might now want to give my robot 2 legs, so I'm going to use this, the number 2s. And I might want to give my robot a head, so here's a number 4 for a head. And let's give my robot some ears as well with number 1s. There we go. There's my robot using the Numicon. If you do create a robot, please take a screenshot or a picture of it and show me what it looks like. I would actually love to see all of your creations. If you're really super up for it, I would love to see anything else that you create using the Numicon. So good luck. Let me know how you get on. And yeah, if you are on YouTube, give the wee video a like and subscribe to the channel as well. That'd be appreciated. Cheers. Thank you. Bye.